On today's Mortgage Monday, we're going to talk about if you should pay off or pay down your credit cards in order to increase your credit score. So last week we talked about debt to income ratio. So if your minimum payment is affecting your debt to income ratio and you cannot qualify for the amount that you would like to qualify for, then you definitely want to pay that credit card off. However, if it doesn't affect your debt to income ratio and you're just looking to increase your credit score, then I would say to go ahead, pay it down to 20% or less of your credit limit, and you're still going to see a credit score increase. But do me a favor, call me, text me, email me before you do anything, because I want to see the big picture to make sure that we're paying down or paying off the right cards. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next week on Mortgage Monday.